Blend the sounds, mastering English pronunciation. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an essential concept in English pronunciation, blending sounds. Understanding how to blend sounds effectively can greatly improve your spoken English. So, let's dive in. When we say, blend the sounds, in English, we're talking about smoothly combining individual sounds within words. It's like mixing colors in a painting. Each sound merges into the next without harsh breaks. This blending is crucial for natural-sounding speech. Blending sounds is vital for clear and understandable English. It helps in 1. Improving fluency. Blending eliminates choppy pronunciation. 2. Enhancing comprehension. Listeners can understand you better. 3. Achieving a natural rhythm. English has a rhythmic flow that relies on sound blending. Let's look at some examples. Can't and do in can't do it. Blend to sound like can do it. Don't you often sounds like don'tcha. Going to becomes gonna in casual speech. Notice how the sounds seamlessly flow into each other? 1. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers and try to mimic their pronunciation. 2. Slow down. Practice speaking slowly at first, focusing on blending the sounds. 3. Use tongue twisters. They're great for practicing sound transitions. 4. Record yourself. Compare your pronunciation with native speakers. Problem: difficulty in blending certain sounds. Solution: focus on tongue placement and practice specific sound combinations. Problem: sounding too robotic or choppy. Solution: practice with sentences, focusing on rhythm and flow. Thank you for joining us in this journey to better English pronunciation. Remember, mastering sound blending takes practice, but it's a key step in sounding more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of learning. See you in our next video.